Cavern Point Loop here in the Santa Cruz Channel Island. This is under 2 miles and you're not gonna wanna miss this trail guide. So stay tuned. As always, we'll go through the video and then I'll come back and give you all the trail details that you need to know. Cavern Point Loop is about 1.7, 1.8 miles, a little under 300 feet elevation gain, and it is a loop. This is a really short and really beautiful trail, so if you're looking for something short to do while you're in the Santa Cruz Channel Island, this is a good option. I'm trying not to fall here. Getting here, there's really only one way to get here, and that is with island packers. They offer the ferry or the boat rides over. You can choose, one of the 5 islands. It's really the only way you can get there. Prices and things may change, so I'm gonna leave links and stuff in the description. You can check that out if you want more details. And let's wrap up with those very important trail details here. So the trail starts where the boats dock, right at the very start. I also covered another trail for Scorpion Canyon, which starts in the same place, same starting area. This is a loop. Now I suggest if you want to do a longer trail that you loop this with Scorpion Canyon, which means you would start this counterclockwise. I did this clockwise to show you guys. Really just depends. I wanted the final views of my hike to be the cliffs and the ocean right behind me. Otherwise, you'd kind of end up where the campground is. Again, up to you. No real preference on counter versus clockwise. There are some unofficial viewpoints that you should stop and take some pictures at. Obviously, the main one is Cavern Point, but there are some other spots that you'll notice as you hike. And I highly recommend you be very careful on the cliffs, that you bust out your phone and you take some really beautiful photos. Very cloudy today. A lot of dead grass here late in June. Kind of feels like that late summer feeling. Still very beautiful though. Not often you get to hike with cliffs and the ocean like this in the back. Ticks, they're around. Make sure you carry bug spray, and if weather permits, wear long pants. Other than that, beautiful trail. Again, this is a shorter one, so if you want to make it longer, I suggest you connect it. And if not, be done with this in an hour, hour 15 at most, and you'll have some absolutely magnificent views and photos. Stick around, I'll see you guys next week.